Pizza time. Ingredients: dough, 1 cup hot water, 1/2 tablespoon sugar, 1 package dry yeast, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1/2 cup of flour. Toppings: 1/2 cup tomato sauce, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup grated mozzarella cheese, sliced vegetables if you like, meats if you like. Directions: turn the oven on to 200 Fahrenheit. Let it warm for about 10 minutes, then turn it off. This will help the dough rise later. 2. Pour the water into a large bowl. Add the sugar and stir. Then add the yeast and stir. Let the mix sit for about 5 minutes. It should have a little foam on top. Next, add 2 tablespoons of the oil, the salt, and half of the flour. Stir with a wooden spoon until the flour is mixed in. Then slowly add the rest of the flour and mix it in. 4. Sprinkle some flour on a cutting board. Turn the dough out onto it. Knead the dough thoroughly. Wash your bowl and dry it. Pour the 3rd tablespoon of olive oil into the bowl. Swirl to coat the inside of the bowl with the oil. Place the dough in the bowl with the oil. Place the dough in the bowl. Turn it in the oil until it's shiny. Then cover the bowl with a clean, damp dish towel. Put it in the warm oven and let it rise for an hour. Number 6. While the dough is rising, get ready any toppings that you will be using. Ask an adult to slice the vegetables. You might enjoy onions, black olives, or zucchini. An adult should also cook the meat for you. You could cut up sausages or roll hamburger into little balls. 7. Take the bowl of dough out of the oven. Put the dough back on the floured board. Knead it again to get the air out. Number 8. Heat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Oil a pan slightly. This can be a pizza pan or a cookie sheet. Put the dough in the pan and stretch it to fit. 9. Spoon the tomato sauce evenly over the dough. If you have toppings, add them now. Then sprinkle with 2 kinds of cheese. 10. Bake the pizza for 15 to 20 minutes. The crust should be turning brown and the cheese should be bubbling. Let the pizza cool a few minutes. Then cut and eat. Enjoy. Number 1. Part A. What is most likely the reason you complete Step 6 right after Step 5? A. Step 6 will take longer than Step 5. B. Step 6 can be accomplished with while Step 5 is being completed. C. Step 5 takes longer than Step 6. D. Step 6 is harder to do than Step 5. Part B. Which detail from the text best supports your answer to Part A? Select 2. A. An adult should also cook the meat for you. B. Place the dough in the bowl. C. While the dough is rising, get ready any toppings you will be using. D. You could cut up sausages or roll hamburger into little balls. E. Put it in the warm oven and let it rise for an hour. Number 2. Part A. Which of the following steps relate to help making the pizza crust? Select all that apply. A. Step 2. B. Step 3. C. Step 6. D. Step 9. E. Step 10. Number 3. Part B. Which additional detail also relates to making the pizza crust? A. While the dough is rising, get ready any toppings you will be using. B. Spoon the tomato sauce evenly over the dough. C. Add sugar and stir. D. Then cut and eat it. Enjoy. Number 4. Part A. How is this text mainly organized? A. By cause and effect. B. By comparison and contrast. C. By order of time. D. By order of importance. Part B. Which text feature best supports your answer to Part A? A. Title. B. Subtitles. C. Numbering. D. Ingredient list. Number 5. What is an ingredient that you need to make pizza? A. 1 package of dry yeast. B. 1 cup of orange juice. C. 1.5 teaspoon of honey. D. 1 cup of coffee.